Now that you understand the flow, let's look at the key functions that manage and control a supply chain. This is Supply Chain Decoder, providing simple explanations of how supply chain works. The first function is procurement. Procurement is responsible for buying the right material at the right price and time from the right supplier. Planning is the brain of the supply chain. It decides what to produce, how much, and when. Manufacturing or operations convert materials into products efficiently, safely, and consistently. Inventory management decides how much stock to keep. Too much can increase the cost. Too little causes shortage. Warehousing manages safe storage, proper handling, and movement of inventory inside warehouse. Logistics and transportation moves products between locations quickly and cost-effectively by route optimization. Distribution ensures products reach customers through the right channels, stores, distributors, or direct delivery. These functions must work together. If one fails, the entire supply chain will suffer. Good supply chains are not accidental. They are designed, measured, and continuously improved. In upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into each function with practical examples.